Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Ernest Rutherford. Ernest Rutherford was born on August 30, 1871. Check out some facts about the father of nuclear physics. Ernest Rutherford, famously known as father of nuclear physics, was born on August 30, 1871.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
This clear separation allows the conclusion that, in a eukaryotic cell, the nucleus is of archaeal origin, but the cytoplasm is of bacterial origin. So this is where the nucleus came from. Way back in time, an archaeal cell entered a bacterium.
Take our lead.
The nucleus is an organelle found in eukaryotic cells. Inside its fully enclosed nuclear membrane, it contains the majority of the cell's genetic material. This material is organized as DNA molecules, along with a variety of proteins, to form chromosomes.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
En español. The nucleolus is a region found within the cell nucleus that is concerned with producing and assembling the cell's ribosomes. Following assembly, ribosomes are transported to the cell cytoplasm where they serve as the sites for protein synthesis.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The nucleus was also described by Franz Bauer in 1804 and in 1831 by Scottish botanist Robert Brown in a talk at the Linnean Society of London. Brown was studying orchids under microscope when he observed an opaque area, which he called the areola or nucleus, in the cells of the flower's outer layer.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Robert Brown. In 1831, Robert Brown discovered the cell nucleus. He is mainly remembered for his descriptions of the cell nuclei and the continuous motion in the solution of minute particles called Brownian motion.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.